Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, we're going to loosen these two bolts that are securing our sway bar to the chassis. With both of these loose, we can now go ahead and proceed and remove them. Once that bolt is out, repeat for the other side. Once you have your two bolts out, you can now go ahead and slowly lower the sway bar itself. Go ahead and work your retainer clamp off. Go ahead and grab that bushing, slide that off as well. Repeat for the other side. You want to go ahead and inspect the areas where that rubber bushing would be riding on. You can just wire brush that, check for any built up rust, anything like that, clean it up. If you have a little bit of sandpaper, you go ahead and clean that up. Repeat for the other side. Now installing the rubber, the split itself wants to face towards the front. We did put a light film of grease on the inside. You don't have to do that, but if you want, you can. Put that in place, repeat for the other side. Now you can go ahead and install your clamp onto this here. Again, work this back up into place. We did put a little bit of AC's compound on our bolts here. I'm going to try and get these started by hand first. Then we'll go ahead and tighten these down. I want to repeat for the other side. Go ahead and tighten down our bolts here. And repeat for the other side.